Smart glasses have gone from sci-fi dreams to a tech you might actually need in the future, with CEOs warning that if you're not using them, you could be left behind. We've already seen glasses like the Ray-Ban Meta, which focus on social media and audio, and the even Reality G1, which prioritizes visuals with dual screens. But why settle for one when you can have both? That's where the Rokid glasses come in. A sleek, lightweight pair packed with speakers for music and calls, a 12MP camera for photos and videos, an AI assistant, and dual stereoscopic screens for navigation, translation, teleprompter, notifications, and more. I've been testing them daily for a couple of weeks, and honestly, they feel like what future smart glasses should be. Opening the box is simple. Even on this early unit inside, you'll find the glasses, a case, an instruction manual, extra nose pieces for comfort, a USB-C charging cable, and a cleaning cloth. Eventually, a charging case will be included too. Holding them for the first time, the Rokid glasses feel surprisingly light at just 49 grams, the same as Ray-Ban Meta, yet packed with features that make them feel like the ultimate upgrade. If you wear prescription lenses, magnetic inserts attach easily to the screens, letting you wear them all day comfortably. So, what makes these glasses so special? Think of them as super-powered, everyday eyewear. The Ray-Ban Meta gives you great social media tools and audio interaction, while the Event G1 focuses on visual info, like maps or translation, but lacks audio. Rokid combines the best of both worlds. Crisp dual micro-OLED screens, a camera, speakers, and an AI assistant, all in a stylish, wearable design. The screens are monochrome green, 480 by 398 pixels per eye, with a 23 field of view and 1500 nits of bright, enough for outdoor use, and clear enough to read scripts or lyrics without anyone noticing. The camera takes sharp 12MP photos and videos, perfect for social media, and everything syncs seamlessly to your phone. The touch-sensitive sides make scrolling and interacting easy, while the AI assistant responds to voice commands, reads text, provides translations, or even helps you navigate games like Final Fantasy X, giving you that Iron Man tech vibe. Battery life is solid at 210 mAh. Charging is fast, and soon a dedicated charging case will make it even easier. After years of testing smart glasses, I can say Rokid really feels like the ultimate pair. You get audio, video, AI, screens, and practical tools like translation and navigation, all in a lightweight and stylish package. They're priced at $599 MSRP, but you can get them for $499 on Kickstarter, with an extra $20 off for the first 2,000 backers. Pros: lightweight, comfy, amazing microphones, great camera, and screens that bring a futuristic feel. Cons: early unit quirks like cable charging and minor lens reflections, but the team is actively improving them. So, what would you pick? Audio-focused, Meta, visual-focused even G1, or the best of both worlds with Rokid glasses? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more VR and AR tech, and consider joining the channel for exclusive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.